How to use trackpad gestures with a third-party mouse on Mac. How to connect a third-party mouse. To connect a Bluetooth mouse, turn the Bluetooth on the mouse. Tap on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. Then, click on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is disabled, turn it on. Wait for your Mac to find the mouse. When it does, click on it to connect the mouse to your Mac. To connect a USB mouse, insert the USB cable into the USB port on your Mac. Wait while the mouse is detected automatically. The necessary drivers will be installed automatically in the background. If your Mac doesn't detect the mouse, remove the cable or the stick and insert it in a different USB port. How to modify basic mouse settings. To disable natural scrolling, from the menu bar, click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. Then, go to Mouse Settings. Uncheck the box next to Scroll Direction Natural. To change the tracking speed, under Tracking Speed, move the slider to find the most comfortable mouse moving speed. To change the scrolling speed, under Scrolling Speed, move the slider to find the most comfortable mouse scrolling speed. To change the double-click speed, under Double-click Speed, move the slider to find the most comfortable mouse double-click speed. How to enable spring loading delay. From the menu bar, click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. Click on Accessibility. Under the Motor section, select Point Control. Then, check the box next to Spring Loading Delay. The shorter the spring loading is, the faster the folder will open and vice versa. How to use trackpad gestures with a third-party mouse. Download the X gestures and 3 Apple scripts. You'll find the links in the article linked in the video description. Save the Apple scripts in a separate folder and keep them. From the menu bar, click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. Click on X gestures. In the Gesturing tab, select how you want to perform the gestures with the mouse, either with the middle button or by using the right and left buttons. You can explore other options as well. Now, go to the Applications tab. Check the box next to Enable Global Gestures. Then, select New Gesture. When a window pops up, click on the left side arrow. You should see the word Left written. When done, click on OK. As gesture action, select Run Apple Script. Import the Control Right script for the left gesture. Do the same thing for the right and up gestures. Import the Control Left script for the right and the Control Up for the up gestures. Next, go to the Options tab and check the box next to Start X gestures when logging in. Finally, click on Apply Settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.